Think Zoom is expensive? Wait until you see what GoBrunch costs. Click the link in the description below to get your special lifetime deal offer on GoBrunch, the virtual meeting platform that's changing how we connect online. Let's break down exactly what you're getting and why this pricing is absolutely brilliant. So here's the deal. While Zoom and other platforms charge you monthly subscriptions forever, GoBrunch is offering a lifetime deal through AppSumo. That's right. Pay once, use forever. No more monthly fees eating away at your budget. With a stellar 4.8 out of 5 stars from nearly 300 reviews, GoBrunch gives you customizable virtual spaces that work right in your browser. No downloads needed. Host multiple rooms, broadcast to everyone at once, and personalize your space with custom backgrounds. Unlike Zoom's basic limitations, GoBrunch lets you create persistent 24/7 virtual spaces perfect for communities, embed tools like Miro and Google Docs, and manage everything with comprehensive admin controls. Whether you're a coach, educator, or business owner, this platform was designed to make your virtual meetings actually enjoyable. And with different pricing tiers offering various numbers of sub-accounts, you can scale as needed. Don't miss this opportunity. Click the link in the description to secure your lifetime deal with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Say goodbye to expensive subscriptions and hello to GoBrunch. Click the link in the description below to grab your lifetime deal discount. Go on, treat yourself.